Today at the Chocolate Tortoise Bakery, I'm going to show you how we make our Scottish rose pistachio shortbread cookies. My name is Flor and I am excited to show you this recipe from my bakery. This cookie is very simple. It starts with a basic Scottish shortbread recipe in which is added pistachios, rose petals, and rose water. The cookie is sandy, crunchy, and melt in your mouth. To get started, you are going to want to preheat your oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you will go ahead and cream the butter and sugar together in a bowl with a spatula or a wooden spoon until it's nicely incorporated. Next, add the rest of the ingredients: rose water, salt, pistachio, rose petals, and flour. Mix all the ingredients together until there's no more flour and it starts to clump together. Now, with your hands, you are going to gently knead the dough until the dough becomes a uniform, soft texture that you will form into a ball. Go ahead and spray your mold with a non-stick cooking spray. Press the dough into the mold, making sure to pack it down well so it gets in all the nooks and crannies of the design. Prick the surface of the cookie dough all over with a fork and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown. Let the cookie cool in the mold for 10 minutes, then remove it from the mold and slice it right away while it's still warm. And this is how we make our delicious rose pistachio Scottish shortbread. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. To get the full written recipe, please visit our website at thechocolatetortoise.com. And don't forget to leave me a comment if you made the recipe. Thank you for watching.